Hey Blair, quick question.
Oh, sure, go ahead.
First one, what exactly is an AGV body?
A controller-free hardware platform for building custom mobile robots.
All right, next one. Why do you call it a zombie robot?
Because the body is ready, but the brain is defined by the customer.
Interesting. So, what can customers customize in the AGV solution?
Customers can customize the control system, software, and some navigation methods, and top modules based on their application needs.
Question 4. Can customers integrate their own systems and applications?
Yes, of course. The AGV supports integration with the PLC and the industrial PC or some real system and other control system.
Good to know. How about safety? Can it support safety and certification requirements?
Safety PLCs, STL motor drives, and some other functional safety components can be integrated according to the project requirements.
Makes sense. So why use an AGV body instead of building from scratch?
Just as you can see that it drew some mechanical development, something like the prototyping or sourcing, testing, and some supply chain work.
Okay, then what's its biggest advantage?
Customers can focus on the software and applications instead of reinventing the hardware.
Last one. 3 words to describe the AGV body.
It must be modular, open, and customizable.
Awesome. I think I get it now. Thanks, Blair.
My pleasure. See you next time.